So here is how you can use the app for the speakers Anker Soundcore Select for Go. So the speaker needs to be connected by Bluetooth to your phone. So it's saying connected Soundcore Select for Go. And then you need to go to Google Play. And from here you need to search for Anker Soundcore. And you need to install this app called Soundcore. It looks like this. Once it's installed, you can just open it. And since the speaker is already connected by Bluetooth, it will you need to actually to click on add device, and it will be added here. The app will just scan for devices and it will just add here. Once it's added, it will display connected with green. You can click, and from the app you can connect the volume. From here on the top right corner you can also change some settings. For example, you can disable or enable the notification sound, for example, when you start the speaker. Auto power off, if you want the speaker to just turn off after like 5 or 10 minutes. uh, and that's pretty much it. And also you have at the bottom equalizer, and from here you can just set up the equalizer levels. You can make the speaker to have more bass or sound different compared to the default preset, which is this one. So this is basically how you can use the Anker Soundcore app. It works the same for other speakers also made by Anker. Alright, I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.